Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on Ford Edge and Lincoln MKX. What we'll be doing here, we'll apply to both of them guys. We'll show you how to remove and replace rear trunk switch guys. Trunk release switch, the one right here, the one that you press in to open your trunk. If yours is bad, needs to be removed or replaced, stay with us and we'll explain how to do that. Now we'll demonstrate on Ford Edge, but as you know, Lincoln MKX and Ford Edge share the same platform, so it should work for the whole first generation from year 2007 to year 2014, I think guys. So quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, will be making at least 200 videos. Why we guys do that? Why we take them completely apart? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you need to buy a new switch, any parts, tools, check out the link in the description of the video below. It will be there guys, okay, for your convenience. This is a 2009 Ford Edge that we will show you guys, okay, how to remove and replace the trunk release switch. So stay with us and we will show you how to do that. This is the one right here. It will take quite a bit of work, so let's start on it now. So now guys, we need to remove that plastic cover, the whole cover. Here in that handle we have 2 screws with a few head screwdriver. Go ahead and remove those. Once we guys remove those, okay, we have 2 more that we need to remove after that. The other 2 are located right here, okay, and those are missing already guys. Now I don't think we have any clip, screws holding. We get a plastic panel removal too. We pry it down. Okay, there is a few clips, I can see them. Okay, perfect. A few of them came out guys, so we will need to show you how to install them later. Okay, it's coming loose guys. It's coming loose. Now we have a few right there holding. Okay, 2 more clips in the middle guys. So okay, and you can see how they're holding. So we need to start on this side. Okay, right there, and we pull down guys, and we go on the other side as well, the same thing. Okay, let's grab and pull down. Okay, but somebody needs to actually hold. Okay, we're trying to reach with the tool there. Okay, let me see if we hold it. That thing guys fell out. Careful not to get hurt guys. Okay, this is the clip that fell out. This clip goes right here. Okay, let me show you. If you need to get a replacement clips, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Now we need to remove these clips. Hold them with your hand because they'll fly away. Pull them out and install them on that panel guys, and we will explain where all the clips are. We have 2 more that we need to remove. One over there. Perfect. And then we guys have, okay, one over here. Perfect guys. Okay, this one came out as well. Now let us show you where all the clips are. Okay, we have a couple more that are actually missing guys. Okay, they were not installed last time. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 2 are missing and we have 2 and 2, 4 screws, and that whole cover guys, okay, comes out just like that. You can see guys, now since we removed that cover now, okay, that trunk panel, this is the switch right here. Now how you guys remove that thing? Okay, from right here we'll have 2 holes, okay, and in these 2 holes guys we'll have 2 bolts with 10 millimeter. Okay, go ahead and remove them guys. One is out. Okay, that's one of the bolts. Now we're working on the second one after that. Perfect. Second one is out. Now, what is happening here guys? Okay, we need to go ahead and disconnect the wire by pressing in there and pulling it out. Okay, perfect. Now, if we come on the outside, okay, we should be able guys, okay, to pull that handle somehow. Okay, here's a couple clips guys that are still holding, metal clips that we need to press in. Once we get it out, I will explain you guys, okay, which exactly clips we're talking about, because otherwise, okay, I think it's 2 of them. Let me see. Otherwise I don't think it will come out, or it just hitting underneath. let's see. So let us show you guys now. There is 2 plastic clips, okay, that need to come out. Okay, those clips, okay, right there, you need to press in. Okay, let's show you. Press in like that. On both sides, it comes out on the bottom first, and then you pull the whole trunk release switch, guys. Okay, this is the switch right here. If you need to remove it now, all we have to do, just get it out of here, guys. You can see this is the switch. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.